Like for example, mixtures of water and salt, sugar and water, but common example is a water and salt, no? So mixtures problem. So, makita ra, no? Kung ba? So, mga mixtures, mas pasan, yun pala yun. English na yun. So, ano ba? Eh, okay, so mixtures. Na yung buhat rin. Dili kay internet. Kabulay kay internet nga. Okay, so mixtures. Hindi na yung lali. Hindi po yung nagpagigay na yan. Okay, so problem. So, ang katong mga non-reacting substances. So, for example na to, for example, yung salt and water, no? Or salt, ito ang common example. So, sa mixtures problem, NDE, so natay, for example, natay MX nga water and salt, then, assume ng tawag container, no? Mutangan pa niya contain, saan? Okay, this one. Sa mitani, wala man sa niya yung mixer o sa klase ng container. Basta, nalay container. So, natay inlet pipe or as consider na to as ato ang pasalon, napod tay outlet. So, ang focus aning application, so ang salt within the tank at any time T, no? So, ang amount din sa salt sa tangki. So, there are two scenarios of this one. Na siya ay common scenario na siya ay water. Pasudlan na to siya brine. Then, solbon pila ka salt at the end of time T. Or napod siya ay initially naapoy brine solution ng tangke, which is ato sa siya pasudlan of pure water or fresh water. Yeah, again, pangayoon niya ang gitawag na ito yung amount in salt at any time T. No? So, considering yung salt nga nasulod sa tangke is homogeneous. At any time t, the salt or the concentration of the salt within the tank is always homogeneous. So from bottom of the tank to the top of the tank is always homogeneous by complete stirring or sa dili pa na siya gimension niya ikutaw ni diha. So we assume that the concentration of salt in a tank is always homogeneous, no? So the formula to determine the amount rate of the salt in the tank, so may siya na tayo rate of salt, let's say our salt is X over time. No? So the derivative of the salt with respect to time. That is the rate of salt per unit time, which is equals to the amount of salt, no? Ang amount sa salt na nisulod. So amount of salt